And here I am with Jasmine's Australian Goldendoodle puppies again. It's go home day for two of them. Baby, baby. Baby, baby. There's your face. There's your face. Oh. See, I gotta get turned around here for these guys. Come on, don't go too far. Puppies! Puppy, 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 puppies! Puppy, 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 puppies! They are not listening. Too busy playing. Come on, puppies! Come on, puppies! Come on, puppies! Puppy, 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 puppy! Come on, come on, come on! There we are! There we are! There we are! Come on! Come on, you guys! Good job. This one's really good at coming. Good job. I'm going to have to keep a good eye on them so they don't get towards the road. And you are hanging out with me. Oh, there they go again. Come on, pups! I think I better go round them up.